The National Electrical Code, or NEC, specifies minimum height requirements for service disconnects. A service disconnect is the main switch that allows you to shut off all electrical power to a building. Where it is installed below the meter, specific guidelines must be followed. NEC Section 230.70A states that the service disconnecting means shall not be installed in a position where it can be operated by persons outside the building or on the premises served, other than as specified in 230.70B. NEC Section 230.70B elaborates, stating that service disconnecting means shall be installed outside of buildings or in a readily accessible location inside buildings and shall be permitted to be operated without having to enter into the building interior. NEC Section 230.70 specifically addresses outdoor service disconnecting means, requiring them to be installed not less than 6 feet, which is equivalent to 1.83 meters, from the ground or grade level. NEC Section 230.70C2 addresses indoor service disconnecting means, and states that they should be installed at a readily accessible location that is not subject to being flooded. To summarize, for outdoor installations, the service disconnect must be at least 6 feet or 1.83 meters above the ground. This height is intended to prevent unauthorized access and ensure safe operation. If a service disconnect is installed at 30 inches, it is not compliant with NEC regulations. It must be raised to meet the minimum height requirement. Ensuring proper height not only complies with the code but also enhances safety.